Hello, and thank you for joining me for another video, exercise home body weight video. This time, what I'm gonna be working out is my legs. Okay, so it's not as difficult as people may think to get a leg workout at home, or in the office or in a hotel or wherever. You can use a simple chair. You can use the wall. You can use different implements to get a fairly good, or to very good, depending on how hard you work out, leg workout. Okay, you can get a really good leg workout. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to use the chair to do a leg lift. Okay, this is fairly easy. It's very straightforward. You just make sure that you. One of the dangers is make sure you don't make sure you're balanced, and make sure you don't let the chair fall over. Make sure the chair doesn't fall over, okay? All I'm going to do is I'm going to put my foot on the chair. I'm going to alternate legs and just lift up, okay? Come down, put your knee to the opposite side, okay? You can come all the way down. You can come down really, really far and get an extra workout when you're on the chair as opposed to being on the floor or something. Okay, and just lift up like so. Okay, you can go down really far. Farther than you could if you were using the floor. It actually gives you a really nice leg workout. Okay, as you can see, I'm going down as far as I can. And that does get pretty challenging after a while. Okay, and then just switch legs. Foot on the chair firmly. Make sure you're nice and balanced. Okay, you're just using your hands for balance, okay, so you don't fall over and so the chair doesn't fall over. Just go down really, really far. Come back up. Come back up as quickly as you can. Okay. Put your knee to the opposite side of your leg. As you can see, I'm putting my knee to the opposite side. And just lift straight up. And then at the end, you get a nice calf raise. Lift up that calf, like so. And that's all there is to it. It's actually quite easy. Okay? And then, that's all there is to it. Just keep doing them. Okay? So, again, put my sandal off there. Okay? Just put your foot about halfway, a little more than halfway on the chair, so you can get the calf raise in there. Okay? And again, go down, put your knee to the opposite side, get the calf raise at the end. You're basically going straight up. Okay, you can angle it too. You can get an angle in there to add some variation, but basically, just lifting straight up and then getting the calf raise at the end. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's good workout. Very good leg workout. Very effective. All right, let's go with the other one. So, again, come down slowly, up quickly, down slowly to get that negative resistance in there. This little calf raise at the end. My foot is about half to about 3/4 of the way on the chair. Yeah, it's quite effective. It's quite effective. Okay. All right, just take a quick breather. And then, if you want to add an extra add-on, which is always a good idea to add a little extra add-on to target the muscle from a different area. Okay. You can add an add-on with the back of the chair and just to target the muscle from a different area. Okay, so. Okay, switch. Okay, my legs are actually starting to get pretty tight now, pretty contracted. But I'm just going to keep going with the bodyweight exercise. You can just keep going until until you kind of reach your multiple points of failure, multiple steps. Okay. All right, I'm just going to keep going here. So So again, foot about half to 3/4 of the way on there so I can get a calf raise at the end. And just go straight up as quickly as I can, down slowly. Okay, kind of control the motion on the way down to get that negative resistance. And my legs are really getting tight now. Let's go one more time. Oh. Ay, ay, ay. Whew. Boy. Yeah, muscles are getting tight now. Okay. So just take a quick breather. Not too long. Don't wait too long. All right, and then go again. Okay. Get calf raise at the end, knee to the opposite side of the leg, and I'm really, really tight now. Getting really tight. Okay. So knee to the opposite side and up. Okay. Whew. Yeah. Getting pretty tired now. Getting pretty tight now. My legs are getting pretty tight. You'll find that with this exercise, especially as you go, because you're bringing it lower than, lower than the plane of the exercise, the midpoint, then it's really challenging. It really works the legs really well. All right, so let's go one more time. Oh, again, tight. Oh. All right, so that's about it for that. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do now, what I can do is just turn the chair around to target the muscle from a different area, and just going to hold on to the chair here, and I'm going to just, basically do the same motion. I'm going to do it in kind of a bouncy way, a more active way. And I can feel my legs tightening up pretty quickly already. This is just targeting the muscle from a different way, using a different method, okay? Alright, and just to give you a side view, chair over here, give you a side view. So I'm basically sticking my foot about half a meter, foot and a half away from the chair. Just make sure you use the same position throughout the exercise so you're not varying it too much. Actually, let me move it over. I'm not hitting the wall. Okay, so foot there, a foot and a half. And my knee is to the opposite side. And then I'm adding a calf raise in there. Okay. So this is basically the same exercise. I'm just targeting it in a different way. I'm not on the chair. I'm not bringing it lower than the plane of the exercise, the bottom plane. But I can really feel it, and my muscles are really feeling contracted from that. Okay. So, yeah, it's a very, very effective leg workout. And with this one, you can do it at different angles, or different foot positions and different angles. So I can put my foot all the way out here, and that's going to give me, and then I can sort of angle it out so targets the muscle from a different point. Okay, and then this one, or you can just do it closer and closer than I'm doing now. You can even do it right on top of the chair and bring it down. Just use the same technique. All right, so again, I'm going to stick with about a foot and a half away from the chair, and some motion. And my muscles are actually getting really tight now, really, really tight. Okay, so let's do it one more time. Oh, okay. All right, so this is just a nice little add-on exercise here to give a little extra benefit to it. All right. Oh, boy. Okay. And get that calf raise at the end. Whew, my muscles are tight. My leg muscles are really tight. Okay, I'm almost reached the end. I'm going to try a couple more, maybe just a couple more. Whew. It's quite an effective leg workout. It really tightens your legs up quite a bit. Okay. All right, so let's go one more time here. Yeah, my muscles are actually really, really tight there. Oh, okay, yeah. So, I want to move the chair over here, and that is actually a very effective leg workout. You mix them together. You do 2 different ones, and then you basically just work from there. Okay. You start out with one that is at one angle and one that is a different angle, and then you can work them together, and you can switch them back and forth. So you can do one that is at the one that is at a different angle than you did before, and then switch to the one that is the angle, the second exercise that you did, the add-on exercise. So it's easy to switch them back and forth. But anyway, thank you for joining me, and I really appreciate you joining me and continuing to work out as hard as you can at home and conveniently, and getting in shape at on your own time, and that's without a lot of expense. So thank you very much, and good to see you, and see you next time. Bye bye.